Do you know many people are having trouble with using the water fill line on their Coleman RoadTrip BBQ? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Identify fill line. Identify the water fill line on your Coleman RoadTrip BBQ. It indicates the maximum water level for the water pan. Step 2. Fill water pan. Fill water up to the water fill line. This helps maintain the proper moisture while cooking. Step 3. Understand pan's purpose. Know that the water in the pan is necessary to regulate the barbecue's temperature and prevent food from drying out. Step 4. Create steamy environment. By following the fill line, you create a steamy environment for cooking, enhancing your food's flavor and tenderness. Step 5. Avoid overfilling. Make sure not to overfill the water pan. Spilling can interfere with your cooking process. Step 6. Maintain recommended level. Maintain the water at the recommended level. This maximizes the barbecue's overall performance and efficiency. With these simple steps, you should be able to perfectly utilize the water fill line on your Coleman RoadTrip BBQ for a perfect barbecue experience. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Coleman users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.